Wow. Hey guys, what time is it? That's right. Oh, look at the bunnies. But guys, you didn't even really look over here. Oh, look at all the bunny rabbits. Hi, bunny. Hi, bunny. Hi. Now, I'm not going to put my finger because you guys have sharp teeth. No, they have sharp teeth. They don't. No, they have sharp teeth. If it bites you, it'll slice your finger.
Guess what else is here?
Wow.
There's cow there, but he's not there no more.
Well, there's a whole nother section over here.
It's quiet. I don't think
Please treat all animals with kindness. Why does it say no admittance? This is, what the? Oh, I thought that was real for a second, but it's not.
there's nothing else. This is for the cows. Probably at night. They're probably outside. Let's go see them outside.
It smells clean. It smells like hay. Just doesn't like stink. It smells fresh. Fresh air. Let's go see the cows. Oh, there's turkeys normally in there. It says turkeys. They probably just got rid of all their turkeys for Thanksgiving. Chickens. Oh, wow. Yeah, that's where they keep all the hay.
Yeah.
Up in there. You guys are the lucky ones.
We're trying to get you.
Uh-oh. Don't put your fingers there, okay? Don't. Don't do it. Ooh. Ooh, look at their head. It's like all different colors. It's purple and red and blue and ew, that thing is just hanging from there. Ooh. What the?
The other one's not.
Ooh, it looks like guts. That's gross. Doesn't it look like guts hanging out? Its face. What creatures, animals are so...
Down over there. You're down over there.
Wow.
Hey,
I
Mom,
can make one of these.
This is what we need.
Hey, Daddy.
Rachel was breaking down a couch yesterday, and I was like thinking about asking her for the wood. I should have, but I think she burned it all.
The black one go down.
We got rid of all the fence.
Mom, look at the black one. Hey, Daddy, it's looking at me. Hey,
all
what's in
that
there?
shit.
Hey, what's in there?
Oh.
Another chicken.
There was no neck. There's no hair in the neck.
Hey, Mommy. Hey, Daddy. Hey, Mommy and Daddy. Look, guys. Hey, guys, look at that black and white one. It has like a beak or something.
Black and white one? Yeah, that's a rooster, right?
Oh, well, why does it have that? That's the Hey, Daddy, what's in there?
Yeah, just the bark.
Man. Daddy, what's that thing right there? Look, there's a dog again.
Yeah, what is, that's a tree? What is that?
Brush.
To clean stuff?
Yeah.
Huh? It looks like tree. Looks like a tree.
It has a hole. It goes in the machine and just put it on the hole right there.
Oh.
I'm assuming we're allowed to go in there.
Yeah, it's supposed to go in there.
Yeah, because there are people in there right
Moo.
right this house. Hey, what's in
Come on, Nick.
God, I think that's on the tech.
What?
I think it's on the tech.
Sleeping probably.
Broby.
What?
Broby want Kenobi.
What? That's Kenobi. Around in Cow? Move. Oh, what's this thing?
Oh, wow. What is it? Pigs. Giant hogs or something. Oh, my God. Holy cannoli.
They're big pigs.
Listen, listen, listen. Stop. No, listen. He's snoring. Where's his face? I can't even.
They look behind you, bro.
Does he have?
Molly, look behind you. Mom, look behind you.
Oh my god!
Hi, Horsey.
Oh my god!
Can I pet him? Can I pet him? Hey, can I pet him?
Yeah, but you're
Can we
right.
see him? Can Reed all the way up there, Dad? Hey, Dad, I can Reed all the way up there. Can we pet him?
Are you allowed
Yeah, I
to?
can Reed all the way up there.
Please, please do not pet the horses.
Hey, Daddy, can you?
Dun dun dun.
Aw.
I'm not supposed to be petting them. They're receiving medication for arthritis,
Aw.
which has been affected by the changing temperatures.
Oh, I touched it.
We're not supposed to pet them, baby.
I pet it.
No, baby. Yeah. Oh,
Hi,
that's a
Piggy.
horsey. Oh my gosh. Hi, horse.
Oh,
Wake up.
Here we go.
Wow.
What's that?
Uh-oh.
Look.
Look, you woke up. What's up?
Holy, that's a boar. Oh my god. Look at his teeth. Ooh. Yeah. Oh my god. Is his eyes open? Where are his eyes?
Yeah, they're hiding. Chinky. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Hi.
Oh my goodness. That thing, look at that thing. Is that like what Pumbaa is?
No.
He's a warthog. This looks like a kind of like a warthog.
Dad, wait up.
What?
Look, different one over here.
Hey, wait up. What? That's just another one?
This is a regular one here.
Wait, there's
That's
a
like a big
bird. Birds are in here. Let me see. There's birds.
Bah!
Wait.
Bah! It's a piggy.
Can I see? Can I see? Can I see? Hi. Hi.
Yeah, hi, piggy.
Oh, hey, look, the
Look,
horses.
Oh, look.
Look more horses. Look more
There's his
horses.
nose.
Yeah. Hey, Mom, look more horses. Look more horses. Hey, look more horses. Can I see? Oh, more horses. See?
Careful.
Hi, horses. Hi, horses.
All right, let's not climb on here, guys. Dad's back here. Dad's here.
Right here,
We
baby.
gotta wait up for Dad.
Hey, look, here's where the horses are.
Please do not feed the horses. They sometimes bite.
Oh, what's that poopy?
Oh my god, I was like, why does that horse look backwards? It's because that one's face is by that one's butt. And really? I was like, wait a minute, something doesn't look right about that horse. Something's not quite right. That horse looks like he needs a bath. Hey, look, or some lotion. It's kind of ashy. Oh, what's that? I don't know. Goat. It's a goat. Oh.
Hey, Daddy, did he bite?
No, they don't bite.
Aww. Hey, Daddy, did he torn?
Yeah,
Just be gentle.
that's it.
Aww, I touched his torn right now. Look at the other one. Look at the other one. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, he's a baby one.
One. Look at the other one.
Hey.
I want to pet when he's gone, man. man, I want to pet one of you guys. I want to pet one of you guys. Hey, guys, it's behind. Okay, look at it. Why would somebody eat a picnic in there, Dad?
Well, that's for them to play. For them to jump on. They like
Goats
to jump
will
on
eat
things.
just about anything, including brambles, thistles, or other invasive plants. They are nimble and can climb steep slopes and even trees. Oh yeah, I saw the mountain. Oh, my Capricorn sign is a goat. And they climb the mountains. They can be on a freaking mountain,
Cliff.
on the cliff sitting. I had a meme once. I forget what it said. When people try to knock you down, but they don't know you're a goat. Goats are very clean. Well, it says they produce milk, meat, and fiber. They're very clean. They are cud-chewing animals with a 4-part stomach. Like cows, their upper jaw is wider than lower, and they have to grind their teeth by chewing from side to side. The male bucks or bills have distinctive beards. 1 to 3 kids will be produced by the doe or nanny goat after 150 days of gestation. Dun dun dun.
Hey, Dad,
So is this a girl or a boy?
Hey, Dad, you think this is Hey, Dad, cows look dumb?
Look, has a beard.
Yeah.
Hi, goat.
Hi, don't touch it. It doesn't bite.
Don't do that, Mom. I just want to eat something. Look.
No, no food.
Yeah, come on, let's go.
Do not feed the livestock.
Where's the garbage can?
Look.
In my pocket. Wow, there's more goats. I want a goat.
I need a lollipop.
More goats. Is there anything up here? I don't think so.
Yeah, more animals. Oh, it goes all the way
Really?
up.
And then you come out at the cows?
Yep. You go up there.
Wow.
I worked up here. You did all this stuff.
Cool.
Yeah?
Yeah?
I did all this.
All this stuff?
A lot of new.
This video's made for children. RoundHill Exhibit Farm. Would you like to remind patrons, please pick up their mask and rubber gloves. The livestock will become severely ill if they digest any of these products. Farmhouse, built in 1838. Rear addition, built around 1870. Wow. Yeah, they colored that and put it in their window. The grapevines? Those are grapevines? No. Are those grapevines?
Yep. Taking my mom's.
Look at this. Oh, that's like an old... To chop wood?
Yeah.
A wood storage?
Yeah, wood
To
shed.
chop wood in there. Yeah, that's cool. Cool.
Look at the doggy.
It's a puppy. Oh. Ah! The puppy's thirsty. Uh-oh.
Yeah, show this way.
That. Hey, Dad's going this way.
Look, animals. Look, animals right there.
Oh, yeah, the llamas.
Llamas?
What are llamas?
Like, hey, we were here. Isn't this the way we... No, this is not where we were. This is a huge chicken pen. Oh my...
Chicken, go down! Wait, what the heck?
I can no longer eat chicken.
Wait, this is where we were. This is where we were before.
Different one. These are lane chickens. Look at that one.
Oh my god, look at
It's
his
all
feet.
dressed up. You got hair, you got shoes.
Oh my gosh.
Look at
How cool is that?
That's the
Make one like this.
Yeah, look, yeah, that one has feathers on his feet.
Which one does, Mom?
That white one right there.
The black one.
There's black and
The black one. Yeah, he does have
look, there's one right there.
It's so big. Hi.
Don't put your fingers because they might peck at you.
Oh, look at the black one. It's so big. Oh, look at that one up there.
Oh, wow.
You just come over here. Look, this little
Oh, look at that
baby.
little one. How
Look.
cute. Little hen.
Look, babe.
Baby.
Excuse me.
That means we can get one.
Oh.
So,
Look at one.
where
And
you at
look.
right now? You be like,
And
what, like
look.
this? Mm-hmm.
And look. Look.
Yeah, right there.
Chickens. There's chickens too. Mom, there's chickens too. I know.
Come on, guys.
Mom, go see the
Go
llamas.
on. Look.
Go see the llamas. Yeah, let's go. Hi. Let's go see the
Look.
llamas, guys. Oh, look at that
One
one.
of them popped the egg right there.
Which one?
Oh, there's an egg.
Where?
We could, right there, you can cook it for breakfast.
Where?
See the egg?
They think you got food, look.
What egg?
Over there. You don't see that white egg in the corner? Right there?
Mm-mm. Oh yeah, I see it. Can we get it out?
No, no, bro. We wouldn't be able to fit it through there.
Well, what's cracking?
No, just leave it there. Hi, chickens.
Mom, you know, chickens make babies.
They make baby chickens.
Yeah. And the eggs, when it's hatched, then you'll be able to see the baby chicken. Is there more animals, Daddy?
Yeah, baby?
Is there more animals?
Yes, they are.
Yay! Yeah. Hey, Mommy, Dad said there's more.
Yeah.
There's a donkey over here, too. What does that say?
The sun's energy helps grow the plants, which feed the animals that produce meat and dairy products.
There you go, healthy eating.
To make
It's
a
a
whole
personal
burger.
act that connects our body, season, and cycle.
To make a whole burger. Just to do the whole burger.
Got everything you need.
Let's go.
Sun, plants, animals, food. It's a circle of life. And it moves us
Hi,
all.
how you guys doing?
Hello.
Yes,
Yes, it is.
Beautiful. It's beautiful.
Take care, folks.
Mama. I give him my kid's bag. Look at that. Hey, Daddy. Hey, Daddy.
Yes.
Look at the Fortnite mama.
Yay.
Hey, Daddy.
Is she Donkey from Shrek?
Yeah. Yo, Daddy.
Yeah.
Listen, Dad. Now, can I have 2 foods of gum?
Nope. I'm keeping this one.
Mommy, can I
I
have
had
that
one
one?
already, bro. Can I have some gum?
What are those?
It was a
Llamas?
one
And donkey?
Some llamas and donkey.
Oh,
It's
the
over
baby
here,
one.
man. You go that way.
Look at the baby one. Look at the baby
It's a baby one?
I'm gonna have your strawberry. The white
How
one.
cute.
The white one looks like a cat. The white one looks like a cat.
How cool.
Yeah, maybe we do up there, I guess. It's close. This is the garden house. There you go.
Hi, Lay. What are you learning so far today, guys? Anything special? What? Bullhogs eat boars. What have you learned today, bro? Anything? Learning about animals?
Bulls, cows make meat.
Oh, yeah. You knew that one already, bro.
And cows make cheese too, and milk.
Oh, yes, they do. But, well, we eat cheese. We drink almond milk. We don't drink cow's milk. Oh, I want to see these guys more.
Look, going around.
Agriculture. Get in there.
I wonder what that thing is.
Probably some type of umbrella or something.
Apples, tomatoes.
Mom, let's go.
It's talking about farming. Donkey! Donkey! Oh!
Did you bite?
No. Don't put your hand in his mouth, but yeah, put him.
Oh, man.
Man, this is kind of fun. No, you how salty he is. I didn't want him.
Yeah, he wants you to pet him. That's why he turned. Rub him. That's what he wants you to do. Pat him. You gotta pat him like.
Ooh, dust came off of him.
Bye, Rosero. I got to sit here. Me too. I can sit here too.
Help her, Dad. I'm recording. She won't touch his ear. I don't want to drop her and try to pick her up with one arm and drop her over. Hey, donkey. Donkey. There's a llama. Which one's the llama?
The black one.
Yes, good job, Lay.
The black one is
Look.
dirty.
The donkey is following us. Yeah, the black one is dirty.
Hey, look. I should have asked, did you ever know donkeys eat leaves?
I did not know that. See? So what'd you learn today?
Donkeys eat leaves.
Good job.
Hey, Dad. Can I taste some of that?
Hey, donkey.
Yeah, can I taste some of it?
No, this one's mine, bro. You had
Wow.
some already. You had two already.
No, I didn't have to.
You had yours and the one I gave you, the gum.
Look at the little donkey. Look at the little donkey.
Yeah, you can have a little bit.
Look at the little donkey.
Oh, there's a puppy over there. I see.
Dad, of what?
You wanna lick it?
Mama bite. Oh, there it is. Dad, look, the mama wants some. Hey, Dad, look, Woodrow wants some.
Whoa.
Hey, Dad, look, Woodrow wants some. Hey, look, there's another llama. Hey, look, there's another llama from Fortnite.
They're following
Bear,
us.
give my kids back. Fortnite Bear, give me my kids back. Fortnite Bear, give me my kids back.
Hello again.
Hello again. Hi.
You're the leader. That's my baby. She's a leader. I don't think it's on, bro.
Oh, yeah, step on it.
When we go back, we're going to find a spot to have some lunch.
Yeah, I don't think that works, puppy. It's old.
The thing isn't going down.
That's ancient, bro. That doesn't
It probably does work. They turned it off because of the COVID thing. They turned all the water off. So they had the one on down there on, but that's like for animals and stuff. But for the public ones, they turned them off.
Did you more animals?
With the cows. Yet. Hi, Lay.
More animals, Daddy. Dad, did you more?
We saw donkeys back
Go
there.
over there.
There's some cows down here.
I'm cold.
Mommy has to go potty.
Could they go out here?
Yeah, sure. Right here.
Then go. Wait up, everybody.
Wait up, everybody.
Hey!
Careful. Careful.
Slow down. Hey. Slow down, sis.
Wait for us, please.
You going up there?
Where? Up there?
That's two more ways to go. Which way you want to go? That way?
Yeah.
Because railroad always that way. So soon we'll go.
Careful going down the hill.
Yeah, guys. No running down the hill. I don't want to see anybody tumbling face first. Come here, guys.